What's going on YouTube? It's Sundeep M3 back again with another video. Hope you guys are enjoying the consistent uploads. I'm trying to stick to the Tuesday and Friday 3 p.m. EST schedule. So subscribe and comment down below if you have any other suggestions. So as you can see by the title and thumbnail of today's video, since I don't have the carbon bucket seats, we're installing carbon seat back covers to my Comfort Sport seats. So that'll just spruce up the look of the interior a little and match the OEM carbon fiber package trim that we have up front. So stay tuned for the install. But before that, we're pulling up to a car wash in South Philly named King's. They do a good job on the interior, exterior. I usually just get the exterior done since I do the interior myself. So let's pull up now and get that done since it's been really rainy and snowy the last couple of weeks here in the Philly, Jersey area. Alright guys, so now that I got the car looking clean on the exterior, it's time to spice up the interior. So today, as I was mentioning, we have the carbon seat backs for the Comfort Sport seats. They just go on with 3M tape, which is also supplied as well. So far the fit and finish looks really good. I'll give you guys a link in the description. Purchased it from AliExpress for about $140, shipped to my door. Seems like it's good quality. I just did a quick test fit and looks like it fits fine, so let's apply the 3M tape. I didn't apply too much 3M tape on these, as you can see. I didn't want to make it too much because when you try to remove them down the road, then it'll be a little difficult and possibly break these. So let's try doing a test fit now with the tape and see how well it adds, and then if needed we can add more. Alright, I peeled back the double-sided tape and now I'm gonna apply them to the freshly cleaned stock headrests. Let's kind of start from the top. Go as low as we can to this bottom section. So we're continuing the same process on the other side, aligning the outside edges again with the 3M tape. Go ahead and give a secure push. Fitment looks really good, lined up on all the sides evenly, the top as well. Well, I'm really happy with the fit and finish of the products. They adhered well, great quality, no issues. Really spruces up the interiors from the rear view, gives it a nice clean look. As usual, feel free to comment, like, and subscribe for more videos. Sundeep M3 out.